In this lesson, we're going to subtract two-digit numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says subtract 65 minus 23, we're going to go through the steps. First step is to remember your place value. Okay? So these are the tens and these are the ones. The second step is to subtract each place value starting with the lowest place value first. So we would subtract this place value first, and then when we're done that one, we move on to this one and do the subtraction for that one. The third thing to remember is you need to borrow if the subtraction cannot be done. It's not needed in this problem, but if you need other resources that describe that for you, the borrowing or the regrouping, if you take a look at the description, you'll see links to other videos of mine that explain that for you in detail. I'm going to explain that a little bit here, but my other videos have that in more detail. You should take a look at those. So let's start the subtraction. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And if you can't do that in your head yet, that's okay. Start at 5 and count backwards 3 times. So 5, start at 5, now count backwards. 4, 3, 2. So we know the answer is 2. And let's put that in. Now, for the tens, we do the same thing. So 6 minus 2. So you start at 6 and you count backwards twice. So start at 6, 6. Count backwards. 5, 4. You counted backwards twice. So we know the answer to 6 minus 2 is 4. So let's put that in. And that's the answer. And that's all there is to it. And don't worry if you don't get this. Anyone can do math. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for listening.